चलो। Hello, boys. So, I just got my bike from the service center. So, why did I? I literally got my bike 3 months back and did my first servicing in the last month. But what happened was last week on Sunday, me and my friend were going for a ride to Marshalls Ghat. The bike was working good, but when I left my home, it was working good. After 2 kilometers, I was waiting for my friend at the meeting point. So, what happened was I was waiting for him. He came, he shot some videos and left. Was when I tried to start my bike, it didn't start. It showed the battery is low, but on the second start it showed me that the O2 sensor is not working. So there was kind of misinformation on the dash. So I thought let's not start it as it might damage the fuel injector. So thought of seeing some garage nearby, but it was 5:30 in the morning. It was 5:30 in the morning, and we had contacted one of the garage in Viman Nagar, but he was saying it will take around 800 rupees just to jumpstart my bike. And after that, I didn't know if the battery was sufficient or the battery is gone. And I just thought of calling an RSA, the roadside assistance, and I did call them. So the Royal Enfield has some tie-up with some assistance company that is in Kharadi, but that technician stays in Hadapsar, Loni Harbor. And what he told me was it will take an hour, 1.5 hours to come here for the assistance. Okay, I said okay, that was the only option. Then he came, he jump started my bike. I asked him if we were good to go for the ride, but he told us that no, the battery is fully gone and you should check the expiry date and check with the service center and replace it. So right there and there, he was able to troubleshoot the problem, the root cause, and I went to the service center. I dropped my bike on Sunday, on the day of ride, in the morning 9 a.m. and the service center opens by 9:30 a.m. But what I was told that he'll check on the same day and let me know if it needs a replacement or there was some wire issues or something like that. In the evening on the same day, I called him. He was like, no, we couldn't check it, we'll check it on Tuesday. So they have the week holiday on Mondays, so the service center is closed on Mondays. What he told me was, we'll check it on Tuesday. So I called him on Tuesday at 3 p.m. 3 to 4 p.m. something. So at that time, just because of my call, he took the bike for some checkup or something. And he's like, yeah, we're checking it up, and the trial guys went for a trial and he'll let us know. So I thought, okay, so he was positive that it does not need a replacement. I said, okay, that's fine. I thought I'll get my bike by 6 p.m. But no, he called me by 6 p.m. and he was like, no sir, it needs a replacement and it will take a week for the replacement. So it was in the warranty, so it will take a week. So I am new to this, so I thought, okay, let's go with for a week. And I did call him on Saturday I did call him on Sunday. So on Sunday, he told me that the warranty was rejected. So I was like, bro, I just bought the bike. I just bought this bike 3 months back. And how are you saying that the warranty was rejected? So he says, so the date was way before than so the manufacturing date was way before the delivery date. And so the battery is from Amaron. So what he said was, we need to replace the battery from the Amaron. And the Amaron guy was like, no, you did not use this battery after the 3 months. So there's a deadline. So there's a deadline that if the manufacturing date is today, it should be used within 3 months. And after that, in between those months, if you get any problem, then it can be replaced. But these guys didn't use the 3 months. Then okay, I said okay. He was like, we have raised the issue to the company and we'll give you the update later. I was like, okay, fine with me. Then I literally called him on Wednesday. I called him on Thursday. I called him today. Today is Friday. So I called him on Friday. He's like, bro, we have raised the issue. We didn't get any information yet. So I was a little frustrated. It's been 2 weeks now. So I thought of going to the service center. I went to the service center. Yeah, I did go to the service center. I was a little frustrated. I asked him for the battery. Show me the battery date. So the battery date was August 2, 2025. Just imagine. I got my delivery in March 2026. I ordered this bike in April 2026. No, I ordered this bike in Feb 2026. So just imagine. They gave me the battery which was around 7 months old. 7 to 8 months old. Which was really disappointing for me. Right then and there, I asked him if they did the PDI or not. They were supposed to do the PDI, right? They should have done the PDI. But they were like, no, we don't do the PDI. The salesperson does the PDI. Then I went to the salesperson, but he was not available there. I thought, okay. So he told me that if the area manager replies to him today, I'll get a new battery. So I asked him if they have any spare battery right now. He told me all the batteries were gone. He told me that the battery guy, the guy who took the spare battery, had his bike in the service center for 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks. So now around 4 or 5 o'clock, he called me again, and he was like, "Sir, we have a spare battery right now. The spare battery is available. We've installed it, and you can take your bike for now."
मेंटल बसना लेव मेंटल कॉमर जोन वाला लेव
So yeah, today I got my bike. So after 5 days, as per him, he told me that the battery will be available. I have to go again. Yeah, that's the summary of my tragedy. Yeah, tomorrow is a ride day. We are going to a location, and see you in the next vlog. Do like, do subscribe. But no, I can extend this vlog as we are going to the shop nearby. My friend Anush, he wants to buy a 1.0 for his bike. I'll introduce him tomorrow in my vlog. He also got a beautiful bike recently, so we thought of going on a ride. We've been on a multiple rides in the last 2 months. Looking forward to tomorrow's ride. By the way I'm saying I'm unlucky. The day we were supposed to go on a ride to Vix back, it did not rain in Marshes Ghat, by the way. It was full sunny day. No wet roads, no greenery. No waterfalls, not at all. Dude, the signal is off. One thing I've noticed that whenever there are traffic police, there's humongous traffic. And whenever people use their own brains or use signal, the traffic signal, there are no traffics. How is that possible, right? These traffic police guys make us wait, make the one side of the road wait for a long time. Okay, I'll just shut up now and do comment your experience with Royal Enfield. Because for me, I did sign up for the performance and the quality issues, I knew it already beforehand, but still it's sad. It's sad that I have to go through this. I have to go through this to really check my patience. I just can't take it, man. The traffic though. The rains are good, driving in the rains are good, but the traffic, it sucks. So right here I'll just end my vlog. See you in the next ride.